Here we see two very simplified UML diagrams for the scanner class and the random class that we have used a lot this semester already. And I've put a note next to them to just remind us of something that we already know, that just writing a class like the scanner class that lives in Java and util, or the random class that also lives in Java util, it doesn't mean that we have a scanner and a random automatically in our program. We got them because we said new scanner or new random. So you must use the new keyword to make an instance of it. So I'm going to just write that into a note. Make a copy here. When you do use new, when you use the new keyword, you are making an instance of the class to use it. The reason I'm making sure to put an instance in there, and an instance is another name for a copy. You're making an actual copy of this class that you get to use now. Your own personal copy of the random class, your own personal copy of the scanner class. They're just called instances in Java. So if I want to notate that, like here, I want my own scanner, please, and then I can just, actually I wanted the other one, pull this down here, and oops, I don't need to have these in here right now because I know it's just a scanner. It has all the same methods as before. It's just my own personal copy of a scanner. And so I might just drag this down to say this is an instance of scanner. Okay, my own instance of the scanner. Could do the same thing with the random. As soon as I say random myrand equals new random, I get a copy of it. And then it's got all the same properties and methods that a normal random has. I'm going to delete these because they're not anything new. I don't have anything new in my random class. And I just have a fresh instance of it. That's what it's called. It's pretty unusual for us to have more than one scanner or more than one random in a program, but if I needed to have more than one, I could say new more than once and have more than one variable, more than one random number generator. That would be fine, and there would just be multiple instances of that item. String is one that we have a lot of instances of, so I might have the string class, and then I might have like 5 different strings, and they're all separate from each other. Each one is its own instance. So the keyword to remember here is instance. An instance is a copy of the class that you can actually use in your program, and you got it using the new keyword.